Here we are in Kourion, a ruined Roman city on the south coast of Cyprus. We're looking at mosaics, and this little story is entitled Understanding Venus. So it's time to talk about symbolism in mosaics. Venus is in the sky all over the Levant and on the clothes worn by the historical characters, even though they may be deadly enemies of the day. The eight-bladed flower, or star pattern, came from the Greeks and was perfected by the Romans. But the legacy is worldwide. Ottomans, Cypriots, Venetians, Balkanic people, even Vikings. It's Venus, the goddess of love. So the Romans believed. It was also meaning passion, and it is possible that the eight-pointed star, Mosaics Kourion, is on the floor of an ancient brothel. It even has elements that may be Ionic. It seems certain that the star, which in Greek is the Marguerite, advanced through history as a love symbol on mosaic, and then embroidery lace on tablecloths, and sometimes clothes. The geometric patterns in the Paphos mosaics are the starting point of the world-famous Lefkara lace, or Lefkaritika. Diamonds, zigzags, and of course the eight-pointed star, the Marguerite from the Greek, a symbol of Venus, Greek Aphrodite for the Romans, a symbol of love and passion. Another starting point in the mosaics is the green man, emerging from classical characters, Dionysus, Oceanus, Sylvanus, Apollo Hylates, a leafy cast of actors, players from ancient Greek, catapulted to fame across the known world by the Romans. Kourion Roman city is one of the stops on the Mosaics Heritage Trail. Your next stops are the Temple of Aphrodite at Kouklia and the Paphos Archaeological Park. You can find a link to the map of the trail in the description to the video below, or contact the Mola Culture Factory for more details.